So welcome to another episode of Stretching Your Strengths in CEHS. I'm Dr. Paul Springer, the Associate Dean for Student Success. And today we're going to be exploring the importance of self-care for your academic, social, spiritual, and emotional health. And today I'm fortunate to be meeting with Dr. Carrie Hanson-Bradley, who is a program director of our Marriage and Family Therapy program here at UNL. And Dr. Hanson-Bradley has particular expertise in working with stress, crisis, and trauma. So thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
So why don't we just get started? Why is self-care so important?
Yeah, self-care is important because if you're not attending to various aspects of your life, you're not going to be able to excel in all the things you're trying to do. And when I say various aspects, I mean physically, psychologically, or emotionally, socially, spiritually, as well as academically.
I like how you're talking about these different areas. So if I'm a student, what are strategies to self-care then?
Yeah, so lots of times we think about big things like going for a 10-mile run or getting a massage. But the reality is we self-care in small ways. Like, did you brush your teeth today? Are you getting enough sleep? Did you eat something? Those are ways to take care of yourself physically. When it comes to like emotionally, I think boundaries are really important. And sometimes we have to set boundaries with others, but quite often I see with the people I work with that we all need to learn to set boundaries with ourselves. If we are really kind of perfectionistic, we have to set a boundary around that, or it's gonna just make us miserable. Or sometimes we need to tell ourselves, no, I can't go to the party, or you know what, no, you're not gonna get an A on that because you're gonna spend time with your family. Socially, who are you connecting with? And are you connecting with them in person or through technology? If you feel isolated, like where can you find social support? Because you're on a campus and there's so many opportunities to connect with others. Spiritually can look a lot of different ways. For some people, that's a religion. And for others, it's just like being out in nature or meditating. Academically, do you know what your resources are? Are you reading your syllabus? Do you know what the expectations are? Do you talk to your teachers? And then really accessing those resources.
I think that is so helpful to think about in those areas. So if you're finding yourself feeling depleted, how do you kind of set boundaries to fill that area?
Yeah, I think first you need to identify where you're feeling depleted. Is it physically, psychologically, socially, spiritually, or in the academic? And once you identify where you are feeling depleted, then what can I do to fill myself up there? In order to attend to one, you may have to not attend so much to another. So if you are really needing social time because you've just been in the books, then take some time to go be social. You might not do so well on that quiz, but take some time.
So in closing, can you talk about maybe some of the resources that exist in the Couple and Family Clinic?
Yeah, at the Couple and Family Clinic, we work with individuals as well as couples and families. And we work with people who are struggling with stress or anxiety or depression, or who may have experienced a trauma and that trauma is impeding their ability to function in any area of their life. So we work with people who, present with a wide range of issues.
Including students. So you're based on East Campus, and can you? We'll put the number on here that you can call if you're interested in accessing the resources. So it's a great additional resource other than CAPS as well that our students can access. So thank you so much.
Thank you.